Welcome to this detailed tutorial on how to set up your PowerPoint presentation to play continuously. In this guide, you will learn how to configure your presentation so that it loops repeatedly until you choose to stop it by pressing the escape key. The following instructions will help you accomplish this task on your computer. To begin, launch PowerPoint on your computer. Take a moment to locate the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or in your list of programs and double-click it to open the application. As PowerPoint starts up, you will be greeted with its familiar interface. Make sure that your computer has finished loading the application completely before moving on to the next step. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation you wish to set up for continuous playback. Whether you recently created the file or have an older presentation saved on your computer, take time to open the specific presentation you would like to work on. This might involve browsing through your files or selecting it from a list of recent documents depending on how you have organized your work. With the presentation now visible on your screen, you are ready to adjust the slideshow settings. Next, move your attention to the top of the PowerPoint window where the ribbon of tabs is located. Locate and click on the tab labeled Slideshow. This tab is designed specifically for controlling everything related to your presentation's display, including configuration settings and options for running the slideshow. As you click this tab, the set of options related to running your presentation will appear, ready for your interaction. Within the Slideshow tab, look for the option that says Set Up Slideshow. This option is essential as it allows you to modify how your slideshow behaves when you decide to present it. Click on Set Up Slideshow to open a dialog box where a variety of settings and preferences will be displayed. The dialog box is designed to be understandable and straightforward, ensuring that you can make the necessary changes without any difficulties. In the dialog box that appears, locate the option labeled Loop Continuously until Escape. This setting is what will ensure that your presentation keeps playing on a loop until you decide to stop it manually. To enable this feature, simply check the box next to Loop Continuously until Escape. By ticking this checkbox, you are instructing PowerPoint to automatically restart your presentation from the beginning once it reaches the last slide. This setting is particularly useful in scenarios where the presentation needs to run unattended, such as during a trade show, information kiosk, or any event where continuous display is beneficial. After you have verified that the box is checked, take a moment to review all the settings in the dialog box to ensure everything is set as desired. When you are satisfied, click the appropriate button to confirm and close the dialog box, allowing the changes to be saved. With these simple steps completed, your PowerPoint presentation is now configured to play continuously. Enjoy the convenience of having your presentation loop automatically, ensuring that your audience can view the material repeatedly without needing to restart the slideshow manually. This setup allows you to focus on delivering your content, safe in the knowledge that the presentation will keep displaying until you choose to exit by pressing the escape key.